if it is an offense or socially unacceptable to be being a gay or lesbian or LGBT in your country of origin, you can claim asylum in the UK. However, I'm not going to discuss the requirement to establish the fact or law, but what I'm going to discuss in this video is very important for LGBT community, or if you are gay or lesbian and you seek asylum and your asylum claim being refused by the Home Office. There is an important case. The judgment came from ECHR on last week, and the court addressed two important points. Let me show you the judgment. So this is the judgment which is in the case of MI versus Switzerland, and the European Court of Human Rights, sitting in the chamber composed of a couple of judges. And the issue on this case the court has discussed is okay, so the issue what addressed that the Swiss authority was wrong not to assess the risk of a gay person applicant will face in return of his country, whether state protection is available. This is the issue. And the other the issue what addressed in this judgment was whether someone can live in his country discreetly, mean he will hide his identity as a gay and he will live as a normal person. And the ECHR found that Swiss authority are wrong for this types of presumption. Number one, that if this applicant required to go back to Iran, the authority, the society, community, the non-state actor will not accept, and they may prosecute him, and the protection will not available in Irani law. Put one side the offense according to law, the non-state actor can prosecute, and the state protection is not available sufficiently. So this is where a person is a breach of Article 3 of ECHR, ill treatment. So that is the one issue, the Swiss authority failed to carry out the assessment. And the other issue is whether it is appropriate for him to live in his home country secretly, hide his identity as a gay, but he will live as a normal person. That is also the court found this is also wrong, the Swiss authority. Now, many asylum claim refused by the Home Office just on the ground of that, say for example, it's not a issue of credibility. Now, in this case, also the applicant claim was refused on the basis of credibility. However, the court found that yes, credibility is the different thing, but what the authority failed to do carry out the assessment of ill treatment he will face in his country of origin if he required to go back. The same way, same ground. The UK Home Office refusal of asylum claim also can be challenged on the ground that the UK Home Office failed to carry out the proper assessment of a country of origin, that if a gay person required to return to, say for example, in Pakistan, how he will be treated, whether he will face any ill treatment. If then he is a breach of Article 3 of European Convention on Human Rights. So this case is significantly important to challenge the Home Office decision in the future. In many grounds. Number one, credibility, you can challenge it. It's not only if the Home Office just said, well, we don't believe you're a credible person. This is not only a ground, it also other account. Before establish the credibility or anything, deal with the credibility, the Home Office must satisfy that the person, if required to go back to his home country, he will not face any ill treatment from non-state actor, or will not feel persecution from the state. Non-state actor means his family, community, which is very important. If it is socially not acceptable in Pakistan, Bangladesh, or Iran, or most of the Arab country, or in African country, that a person can live normal life as a gay, society will punish him, will reject him. So this is the ill treatment under Article 3. that this assessment should carry out, and that has to be addressed in the refusal. With, of course, if a lawyer involved, if they refuse court, if you go to appeal, what assessment you can, what's the evidence, the assessment report, these all evidence,